And once you got it all wired up, that should be your finished result. Again, super easy. Super easy install. The trickiest part is finding those wires that you need to wire your turn signals to. But once you've got that, got it all wired up, it's just a pop in place. So definitely a super easy install. Turned out awesome. That's the turn signals from AMOffRoad. And there you go. What I did, go to Google, look up a diagram. It'll show you which cords run to your turn signal, and you'll hook your power and ground up like so, crimp it, use electrical tape, however you need to wire those things up. And once you get that fed through there and in, these turn signals do have 3M tape on the backside to help them stick, but they do also have the little clips that pop in place. So you'll just feed it in there, get it lined up. As you can see, you got to kind of feed it down behind the fender there, and it should more or less just pop in place. So first off, depending on what fenders you have, you might have to take the whole fender off, or in my case, only have to take these 3 bolts right here out, just enough to pull this back. Because this part right here, your whole turn signal, it kind of falls down in behind the fender, so it'll give you enough to be able to pull it out. And then you'll need you a flathead screwdriver, and you should be able to just pop it out like so, just like that. And now with these turn signals, that's all you get is a power and ground. So you'll go in right here, and you'll need to find your relay or plug that runs to your turn signals. You can either use a wire tester, or you can just guess on your wires, or you can look up. Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing the AMOffRoad turn signals. It goes right above where your fenders are. Kind of complicated install, more or less just with your wiring. It's really kind of only the confusing thing. Other than that, it's a super easy install. Doesn't take very long. They look really good. So this is what you're going to get with your finished product. That's how it's going to look on your rig. They're real bright, easily seen. But anyway, yeah, we're going to dive right into it.